So this is quite a responsive login page. After resizing the browser, you could see how responsive it is on different screen sizes. Please, if you've not, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We have the source code in the description below. Please watch till the end to enjoy. Welcome once more to my channel, and in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a login page. So firstly now, in my projects folder, I have a login folder which contains an HTML file, a style, and an image. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to impute my image and then type in the name of the image. Then after doing that, I save it and reload it here on my live server. And after doing that, let's get going. I'm creating a div with a class name form and then a form element. I don't really need any action for now. So let's an h2, let me call it login, and then an impute tag with text. Let me just give it a placeholder name of enter username. Enter username. So after that, let me just copy this and post it. And let this next type be password. Then it will be enter password. So after doing that, let's start with a button. Let me name it login. So now I want to link my CSS to this currently. So I want to link my CSS to my HTML page. So I'll just have to go and link CSS. Then I've named it style.css. So let's go to our style.css and start designing. So first of all, I want everything to have a box sizing of border box, a margin of 0, and a padding of 0. So after doing that, I want my body. If there is an overflow, I want it to be hidden, so they won't be able to scroll here. So after that, I want to design my image. And in my image, I want to give it a width of 100%, a height of 100% viewport height, and then an object fit. So the image doesn't appear slagged, of about cover. And then to make it a little bit blur, let me add a filter to it and a brightness of about 80%. So after doing this now, so I've successfully designed my image. So let me go to my form. That's quite the next important thing here. So form, position, I want it to have an absolute position so it will be able to float upon this image. Then I want my top to be 50%, my left to be also 50%. Then I want to translate to -50%, -50%. This helps me make it stay exactly at the middle. So after doing that, I also want to give it a padding of 20 pixel, then a background color of white. Then after doing this, let me design my input. And my input, I want it to display as a block element. Sorry, a block element. Then I want to give it a margin of top. Then we give it 15 pixel, 0 pixel left and right, a width of 100%. Let me also give this a width of about 350 pixel And then on smaller device, I want it on any device less than 400 pixel. I want it to display properly. So let me give a space here. 400 pixel below, I want my form's width to be 100%. Okay, so having done that, now let's still continue design my input. I want my padding to be 15 pixel. Oh, that's quite big. Let's make it 10. A border of 0, background of white smoke, and then now a border of let me say 1 pixel solid. So to give it a more realistic view, so let's go down and give our border radius of say 12 pixel. Let's see how it will act here. 12 pixel, good. So let me give this also a border radius of 12 pixel. Okay, now so let's go to our last element, our button. So for our button, just want to give it a margin, top and bottom 10 pixels, 0 left and right, a width of 100%, background color of slightly black, and then a color of pure white. Also a padding 10 pixel, and then a border of, which I don't want any border, I don't want any outline. I want it to look good, and I want to have a pointer filling here. So I'll say cursor pointer. Here I also want to give an outline of to prevent this black outline here. I'll give it an outline of 1 pixel solid. See, quite okay. So that's that on how to create a simple login page. Please, if you've not, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Thank you.